The late adopter, very late. Hi guys, doing? Welcome to a new Bitcoin daily video. Every single day at 9:30 Central European time we do Bitcoin daily video because we gotta know what's happening, what's up with Bitcoin. How's everybody doing? I see some green names in chat. Ralph, Steven, Nihal. How you guys doing? So we have a small breakout, so small time frame, so we're gonna check that. First thing first, you can see here on the daily that the 10 moving average, the white line, this white line, we broke that 2 days ago, right? We tried to hold the 33,000. We held the 33,000. Next day, we held it between 33,000 and the resistance line at 10 moving average. And today, we are breaking into upside. There is a small breakout happening over here. We're gonna see that. We are not quite bullish yet, but I'm gonna tell you what's gonna make me super bullish on next Monday, not now, but next Monday was gonna make me super bullish. Okay, I don't know if it's gonna make me super bullish, but you know, it's gonna make me more bullish than right now. It's gonna make me more bullish than right now. Twin is in here as well. Yeah, hi guys doing? Hi guys. White shirt. White shirt is because, you know, it's hot outside. You know, you cannot go with the black shirt outside when it's hot, when it's very hot. Anyways, let's get into the chart, see what's happening, guys. Let's see what's happening. So, as we just said, like, this was very important support. We've been talking about this support, right? The 33,380, you know, we wanted to hold this for the, you know, for the life of it, right? Over here, when we dropped down, we were just above it, right? And over here, we managed to hold it. And now that we actually held the support for 2 straight days, we are going a little bit back up because it says like, nope, not going down there. Going up, so going up, and now that we are going up, we, you know, previously got rejected by the 20 moving average. We got down below the 10 moving average, but this 33k held. Now we are going back up again, but I'm really interested to see if this 20 moving average is gonna reject us again, because if we get second rejection on the 20 moving average down here, up here, you know, that might indicate more down movement. You know, you don't want to get rejected for 2 times in a row on a big time frame, on a big moving average, right? Like 20. It's not actually a big moving average, it's small moving average, you know. But you don't wanna get rejected 2 times or over here, and then, you know, because then you're gonna definitely tumble down. So right now, I think the move is to the 20 moving average, but we're gonna see what's actually happening. I'm gonna show you some kind of breakout that's happening right over here. But you can see here this 33,380 line. That's this line down here. Very important support. We want to hold that. You know, if you lose that, like, the probability to go down to 31.5 is pretty big. So we're gonna see if that's gonna be the thing. But right now, I think we're going up to something like 35,000 or something like that. And I'm gonna show you also why this 35,000 up here is target. Keep remembering 35,000 target. Okay, 35,100, 200, something like that, give or take. Okay, keep remembering that. Dutch Ring Racing, hey man, hope you're well listening in and watching from the sideline. Cheers. Man, long time no see. I thought you were done. I thought you, you know, cashed out, went to the vacation, you know, went on with your life. Or are you feeling that the bull market is coming back? Huh? What is it? Anyways, nice to have you here, man. Nice to have you here. So, it looks like, you know, we're gonna go up to like something like 35,000, and you see because if we manage to break the 35,000 and resist the upside, you know, the upside might be actually a lot higher. But if you get rejected by in this area up here, you know, I'm seeing like we will definitely break the 33k on the way down again, and, you know, tumble further down. So I'm gonna show you right now here why I think this is gonna go to 35k. And for that, first, we're gonna go down to 4 hourly time frame, and you can see here that we had some kind of falling wedge here previously, right? And we said, although it looked bearish, you know, the falling wedges, you know, they usually break to the upside. And you can see even over here that we actually broke to the upside right over here. Broke to the upside. Now we are going up right now, but we are going up, I think, around 35,000, give or take. And this 35,000 might actually indicate also some of these levels up here. You can see these resistances, right? it's a nice resistance area. So we're gonna see how also this pattern that's been forming down here is actually gonna give us the 35,000 target. And you can see here that this is some kind of rounded bottom, right? Or some kind of round bottom. It looks like it's maybe a round bottom. Maybe it's gonna make a cup and handle formation or something like that. But it also might be some kind of you know, some kind of a small inverted head and shoulders down here playing out. So let's zoom in on this and see what's actually happening here. And already now let's remove the falling wedge. You know, falling wedge is played out. You know, we can even measure the falling wedge. I think falling wedge will actually give us a lot bigger target than it actually is. Yeah, it will give us all the way up to 36 something like that. Maybe it should be actually at the middle up here. I'm not quite sure. Yeah, it's 35. It's not the wedge, it's not the wedge. But you can see here, down here, it is some kind of a rounded bottom or some kind of a head and shoulders, right? Some kind of head and shoulders that's playing out here, right? It's not perfect, you know. It's not perfect, but whatever. It's some kind of head and shoulders, some kind of round bottom, some kind of pattern. You can see it here clearly on the 30 minutes line. But it doesn't matter whether it's some kind of round bottom, some kind of you know, cup and handle. It's not cup and handle. It's cup and handle. Maybe this is the cup and this is the handle. I don't know. Maybe it's something, right? But however you look at it, right? However you look at it, it's you know, the breakout point is always the same. That's over here. You can see it here. We went and then, you know, big breakout. Just same thing that we had over here. You can see a big breakdown. Went down here. Right now we break into the upside, right? But I think we're going around 35,000. And however you look at this, right? It's bottom to the neckline. Bottom to the neckline. Bottom neckline, extend that up here. It gets you to something like 35,170. You know, exactly where this target was, right? So around there, 35,000 something, 35,100 something. And you can see it also, if you look at it a little bit bigger time frames, maybe 4 hourly, it's easier to see. You know, there are these nice areas of resistance, you know, all the way up here. So I think this area up here at 35,000 might actually just stop us right now. So right now we are going up. I think it's too late to actually go long right now, because we are gonna hit this resistance pretty soon. So don't FOMO in just yet. But I think this is gonna be make it or break moment. You know, also you can see the moving averages right now breaking the 100 moving average. That's the 200 moving average there. It maybe on the 4 hourly maybe might actually go a little bit higher, but you know, we are breaking a lot of moving averages right now on the 4 hourly. So we're gonna see how far this is gonna extend to upside. But on daily you can see clearly that, you know, the big kahuna is the 20 moving average that's corresponding with 35,000 line. Not only that, like, sure, we can break the, you know, with the week we can maybe go up, like, but I think we're gonna stay on the daily. I think we're gonna stay below the 35,000, because I think the downtrend is so big that it's gonna be hard to actually break it. But if you do break it, you know, I'm gonna be a little bit more bullish. And if you break this line up here, I'm gonna be even more bullish. And if you break the 50 moving average line, I'm gonna be super bullish. But like I said, I'm gonna show you what's gonna make me super bullish on Monday, and that's the weekly time frame, guys. That's the weekly time frame, and it's not gonna take a lot. We gotta get above. We gotta get this candle above 34,681. It's not that much, guys. It's not that much. 681. Let's make this line nice and juicy and in some different color, because why not? So if we get this blue line, blue, yeah, that's nice. If you can get this price above 34,681, it's actually not 681, it's down here. It's, what's that? 34,655. 34,655 on Binance. If you can get price above 34,655 on Binance by Monday, I'm gonna be a little bit more bullish, because that will show that support is holding. If we do something like this, this is a breakout of the support. If we do something like this is support holding, like great support holding, then we might actually continue going up. But you know, 34,655 is gonna be really big test. Like this down here, you know, you can both break it and not break it, doesn't matter. But you know, on the weekly time frame, this is the target, this is the number, 34,655, 655. That's the number. That's the number to break. So let's see how this looks on the daily. You can see on the daily we went all the way up to beat the wick down up to 34,655, but we didn't break it, right? You see up here 4 hourly, 1 hourly. But I think we maybe might actually go all the way up to 35,000. We should maybe, because of the, you know, whatever kind of pattern this is. I don't know if this is any kind of pattern either, but it has some nice breakout. And you can also see the volume, guys. this is legit. You can see the volume. Also, you can see on the breakout, this is breakdown volume. You can see the breakdown volume, and you can see breakup volume. You know, the volume don't usually go like something like, don't have to go like all the way up here to actually confirm the breakout. You know, you just have to go, you know, change, you know, break the trend, right? So down here, some trend was going over here, right? We broke the trend, you know, with the volume, meaning volume was going a little bit down. Over here you broke the trend. That's actually confirmation. That's volume confirmation. So this is a legit breakup, this is a legit breakdown. Right now going higher, I think we're gonna go try to test 35,000. But what's gonna make me super bullish this week on Monday, that's this candle over here. Now guys, any questions? 40 by tomorrow? I don't think so. I hope so, but I don't think so. 1 minute to go to closing 4 hourly. Oh, look at that. It's 4 hourly close. Let's check that out. Well, it's nice. On the 4 hourly, we closed above all the moving averages right up here. Beside the 200 moving average, you know, beside 200 moving average, we closed above 10, 20, 50, 100 moving average right up here. Very nice. And now it's trying to go higher. I think it's going to go all the way up to 35, maybe even the 200 moving average. We'll see. But there is some big resistance right over here at 35,000. So we're going to see if it actually managed to break. Maybe just going to stop at 34,655. We're going to see that. But you know, it's not a big pattern. It's not saying that it's gonna go all to the moon, but you know, it does give you a little bit more bullishness that you had. That, you know, you got this around the bottom, you broke to some moving average to the upside. You are right now hitting some kind of resistances. You know, you gotta see if you can break those resistances to the upside. But it's shabby play. And you remember yesterday, guys, here when we were talking about here, it's also a shabby play because you cannot short it, you cannot go long. The same thing here right now. It's in the mess of the, it's in the middle. Try to find, you know, whether it's gonna go up or gonna go down. So this isn't any kind of play you wanna go for the long or for the short, because right now, you know, you're getting the resistances up here. The resistances. Hidden bearish divergence on 1 and 4 hourly. Let's see that, man. 4 hourly. Yeah, it is, but it's not confirmed because this is continuing going up, right? So the RSI is going up while the price is still down, but this isn't finished, you know. So as long as the price gets above some kind of 35,000, something like that, this is going to correct. But this might indicate that, you know, it might actually continue higher. That beside that, like that's that. 1 hour. Let's see 1 hourly. You're still looking this stop over here, but this is 1 hourly. You know, these stops should be looked down up here. You know, this is too far away. I think on 1 hour it's actually playing out fine. I think on 1 hour it's playing out fine. I'm still fairly poor person, risking most of their. If I'm a fairly poor person risking most of their money on this, how would you act having a 500 account with the current market? It's $500, man. You gotta do risky business. Explain why in TA goes down to 2730K. We don't know if it's gonna go down to 2730k, but we know the support and resistance. That's technical analysis is about probability, and support and resistance is, you know, so 30k, it's right over here. That's this support line. So if you start getting rejected up here, the probability, and then if you start breaking 33k, the probability is we're gonna test next support, and you know, next support down here at 30,000. Now, why we are going down here is if we break the support, we are going down there. Now, anybody who tells you that, you know, we are for sure going down to 20k or 25k or something like that, you know, they're trying to brag, they're trying to, you know, get some credit score, because, you know, if it's bear market, we are sure to be hit some kind of levels, but technically nobody knows, because this can turn towards the upside, this can go towards the downside. Nobody actually knows where it can go, how long up it can go, how long it down it can go. The only thing we know that right now, you know, we are a little more bearish than bullish, and right now we are hitting some kind of resistances. Now, if something happens, you know, and we break the resistance to the top, for example, we break this line of resistance up here, break the 50 moving average, everybody's gonna be super bullish, and this can go up like to 40-50,000. Nobody's saying that it cannot go do that, but it's having difficulty to do that right now. And what we are doing right now, we are looking for more downside, meaning we are looking to break the 33k, we are looking to break the 31k, maybe even 30k, and then hit some kind of 28, 27, 26, 25 levels, maybe even go as far down as something like 24,000 down here, you know. But it is moved to the downside more than to the upside. It just broke 20 moving average on daily. Yeah, it did so, man. It did very nicely. Today, it did actually break the 20 moving average. So it is nice. I hope it stays up there. It has some kind of resistance up here at 22.78. You know, we're gonna see if it can manage to get back up there. Maybe this is some kind of cup and handle. Let's see on the small time frames. Yeah, maybe, sure, why not? Some kind of cup, right, handle right now. If we get up there, we break that, like we're going to move, guys. Maybe Ethereum is our 28,000. Wow, if you do that, like, guys, we're gonna explode up here to the top. Yeah, if this is some kind of cup and handle, damn. But you know, it's really weird cup and handle, you know. It's fine, you know, being pushed down, getting up. Cup handle, if you go up here, sure, maybe. ADA is doing quite strong. ADA is minus 0.80% today. Maybe it's just waiting. Maybe ADA is just waiting to break the upside. Maybe something like that. Bears have been laughing and bragging for too long. Bulls will drink their tears soon, in my opinion. I hope so, man. I hope so. BitBoy fan is back in the chat, even though he does not believe in this stuff. Hi, man. How you doing? How's life doing for you? I remember you said you had tried to make it on your own. Being 18-year-old, not getting help from your parents. Good thing for you, man. Good thing for you. Grow up. Grow some, you know, ding-dongs down there, you know, and move on. Tens of millions cash coming in from Germany funds manager. No, it's not. I mean, that's just, you know, even if it does, like, it won't move the price. Just because, you know, tens of millions dollars are coming in, it doesn't move the price. Crypto Wookie. Lol. Gonna have to work at McDonald's, damn. Yeah, McDonald's is fine, man. You just go there, the boss tells you, hey man, do this, do that, you do this, you do that, you chat it with girls, you know, chat it with customers. Like, it's perfect job, man. Why would you not want to work at McDonald's? And you're getting paid for it. You're getting paid for, like, turning burgers, and you're chatting, you know, for 8 hours a day with, you know, people about this and that, you know, and after work you go and take a beer or something like that. Like, it's best work ever. There is no stress at all, zero stress. And if something happens, you just like, hey manager, can you take care of this, you know? There is no stress, man, zero stress. Working at McDonald's is super nice. I don't think the only people that don't want to work at McDonald's is people that never in their life had any kind of a responsibility. Because once you understand like what kind of stress responsibility is, you just want some kind of job that's like removes all responsibility away, just tells you do this, do that, and we're gonna pay you. And that's fine, man, and that's fine. I would love to work at McDonald's. Unfortunately, you know, for a little big family, like the McDonald's panel is a little bit low for me right now. But if I was in my 20s, I didn't have anything better to do with that, I would take the McDonald's job, man. I would take the McDonald's job any day. It's so nice. You come in, you do your thing, you maybe eat a little, you know, fries on the side, you know. You're gonna be fine. You're gonna be fine. And all the cash you get, you know, you can put back into crypto, you know. Work for TLA. Thanks for the videos. You're welcome. I work at Domino's for that exact reason. It's supplementally while I build myself. Yeah, it's, well, I like even the Domino's. It's nice, man. That the people are looking down on these jobs, but for somebody that's 20 years old and doing something else with their life, they just need some kind of job, but they have zero responsibility. Just, hey man, just do this, do that, you know, for a couple hours a day, 8 hours a day, 6 hours a day, however long you do that. Maybe it's a little bit boring, but you know, you chat with, you know, if you got nice co-workers, you know, you chat with co-workers, you do your thing, you know, get some cash, put in crypto, you know. You are not planning to do that for the rest of your life, but it's nice to do it then and there, you know. Can you show us the XRP chart really quick? Really quick. Are you ready? Are you ready? 3, 2, 1. There's XRP chart. Okay. Did you see that? Real quick. Some days I wish I just worked for Walmart or something. Yeah. Me too, man. Me too. Some days you just want to go somewhere where you can just like do some mindless work, like just like, okay, put stuff in the shelf, do this, do that, like somebody just tell me what to do and leave me alone for 3 hours, like don't make me do stuff, you know. That's some days, those days are best, like, yeah. Anyways, guys, let's recap on what's happening right now. We are hitting some kind of resistance here at 34,655. We are thinking it might go up to 35,000, maybe even up to here at up to the 200 moving average. But none of this actually matters because this is a short-term play right now. On the daily, it does look a little bit more bullish than it was, but you know, we got this 20 moving average right here at 35,000. That's actually gonna be the big test of time because we just got rejected by the 20 moving average and by the resistance up here. So this area up here is gonna be really important right now that you are coming here. If you don't even come close, if you just turn going right down here right now, that's gonna be even more bearish because you didn't even test the 20 moving average. So we at least, you know, if for the bulls you at least want to test the 20 moving average. The best case scenario, we want to test the upper limits up here, but I don't know if that's doable, but at least the 20 moving average. If you fail to do that, if you just stop like somebody here, just continue going down, I think the breaking of the 33,000 might actually happen a lot sooner than you actually think. That said, on Monday, today is Saturdays, you know, but on Monday I'm gonna be super bullish if and only if, not gonna be super, a little bit more bullish if and only we close above 34,655 on the weekly chart, because if we do that, that means that we held the support right over here, and that might actually be enough bullishness to actually move us forward upwards. So we're gonna see how that's gonna play out. Looks good to me, yeah. Have an order at 31k and around 32. If a fake out, bro, a small wick above 35 and then down retest with good volume will make me bullish. Hope that works out for you, man. The way I see it now, it's a no-go. It's a no-go. Neither up nor down. Where's the 55 weekly EMA? I have no clue where the EMAs are, especially 55 or 56 and 57 EMAs. Really hard to say. Anyways, guys, thanks for stopping by. We are up 2% today, so you know, how come I Julia Chatterley mine? I have no clue what it is. Get a lot of crypto, probably be you know, get a lot of crypto. Doesn't matter who it is, you know, get a lot of crypto. There is it. There you go, guys. There you go. Anyways, guys, enjoy the day. You know, because you know we had some we had a small breakout. We are a little bit bullish today, not that bullish, you know, but we are going towards certain resistance, and you know, we are going towards up, so we want to help it move as much you know, as we can. So you know, for that reason, enjoy the music at the end of the show. Let's see, we hope it does that. Anyways guys, thanks for joining up. Come back tomorrow 9:30 Central European time. Every single day we do this Bitcoin Daily Show. See you around guys. Bye bye. Bye-bye.
I make no apology, I'm in love with a meme. About as real as a dollar, and it makes me wanna scream. I wanna be a millionaire, I'm not weak or lazy. I'm like electricity, I'm the path of least resistance. Always lies the way for me, I'm in love with a meme. About as real as a dollar, and it makes me wanna scream. I wanna be a millionaire. Go dash, 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 dash. Go dash, 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 Doge Daddy, yeah. Go dash, 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 dash. Go dash, 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 Doge Daddy, yeah. Dancing Teslas and SpaceX, this techno king is on a roll. There is no shame in his game. He's having fun, he's in control. I'm in love with a meme. About as real as a dollar, and it makes me wanna scream. I wanna be a millionaire. Go dash, 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 dash. Go dash, 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 Doge Daddy, yeah. Go dash, 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 dash. Go dash, 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 Doge Daddy, yeah. I see stars when I hear Dodge. Forget the moon, I'm off to Mars. Cash is trash, is confetti, so dollar bills can kiss my go dash, 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 dash. Go dash, 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 Doge Daddy, yeah.
Short, all systems